Number 1 question, which part of the ear collects sound wave? Option number A is cochlea, B eardrum, C ear canal and D auditory nerve. Here right option is option C ear canal. Explanation: the ear canal, also known as external auditory canal, it waves and directs them towards the eardrum. Number 2 question, which structure vibrate in response to sound waves? Number 1 option is cochlea, B is eardrum, C is auditory nerve and D is oval window. Here right option is eardrum. Option number B. Explanation: the eardrum, also called the tympanic membrane, vibrate when struck by sound waves, transmitting this vibration to the middle ear. Question number 3. What is the function of the cochlea? Option number A is balance, B sound transmission, D smell perception and D taste perception. Here correct answer is sound transmission. Explanation: the cochlea is responsible for converting sound vibration into electrical signals that can be interpreted by the brain. Number 4 question, which part of the ear is involved in maintaining balance? Number A option is cochlea, B is semicircular canals, C is eardrum and D is auditory nerve. Correct answer is semicircular canals. Option number B. Explanation: the semicircular canals are fluid-filled structure that detect changes in head position and rotational movements, helping to maintain balance. Question number 5. What connects the middle ear to the throat and help equalize pressure? Option number A eustachian tube, B oval window, C round window and D cochlear duct. Here correct answer is option A eustachian tube. Explanation: the eustachian tube contacts the middle ear to the throat, allowing air pressure to equalize on both sides of the eardrum. Question number 6. Which part of the ear contains the sensory cell responsible for hearing? Option number A is cochlea, B is semicircular canal, C is auditory nerve and D is vestibule. Here correct answer is option A cochlea. Explanation: the cochlea contains hair cells that convert sound vibrations into electrical signals, which are then transmitted to the brain via the auditory nerve. Question number 7. What is the purpose of the auditory nerve? Option number A is balance, B is smell perception, C is taste perception and D is hearing. Here correct answer is D hearing. Explanation: the auditory nerve carries electrical signals from the cochlea to the brain, where they are interpreted as sound. Question number 8. Which part of the ear amplifies sound vibration? Option number 1 is ossicle, B is cochlea, C is tympanic membrane and D is eustachian tube. Here correct answer is option A ossicle. Explanation: the ossicle consisting of the malleus, incus and stapes amplify sound vibration as they transmit them from the eardrum to the inner ear. Question number 9. What is the function of the round window? Option number A is equalize pressure, B is transmit sound vibration, C is amplify sound waves, and D is protect the inner ear. Here, correct answer is option A, equalize pressure. Explanation: the round window allow for the movement of fluid within the cochlea, helping to equalize pressure in the inner ear. Question number 10. What happened when sound waves strike the eardrum? Option number A is electrical signals are generated, B is vibration are transmitted to the cochlea, C is hair cell are transmitted, and D is balance is maintained. Here correct answer is answer B. Vibrations are transmitted to the cochlea. Explanation: when sound waves strike the eardrum, it vibrates and transmits this vibration to the cochlea via the ossicle. Question number 11. What part of the ear help in localization of sound? Option A is cochlea, B is semicircular canals, C is pinna, and D is auditory nerve. Here correct answer is answer C, pinna. Explanation: the pinna or outer ear help in localizing sound by capturing and funneling sound waves into the ear canal. Question number 12. Which part of the ear converts sound wave into mechanical vibrations? Option number A is cochlea, B is pinna, C is oval window, and D is tympanic membrane. Here correct answer is answer D, tympanic membrane. Explanation: the tympanic membrane or eardrum converts sound wave into mechanical vibration that are transmitted to the inner ear. Question number 13. What causes the sensation of hearing? Option A is movement of fluid in the cochlea, B is stimulation of hair cells in the semicircular canals, C is activation of taste receptor in the tongue, and D is activation of auditory nerve fibers. Here right answer is activation of auditory nerve fibers, option D. Explanation: the sensation of hearing occurs when auditory nerve fibers transmit electrical signals from the cochlea to the brain. Question number 14. Which structure separates the middle ear from the inner ear? Option A is cochlea, B is oval window, C is round window, and D is stapes. Here correct answer is option B, oval window. Explanation: the oval window separates the middle ear from the inner ear and serves at the point of transmission for sound vibrations into the cochlea. Question number 15. What is the function of the cochlear duct? Option A is equalize pressure, B is amplify sound waves, C is transmit sound vibration, and D is convert sound vibration into electrical signals. Here correct answer is option C, convert sound vibration into electrical signals. Explanation: the cochlear duct contains the organ of carotid, which contain hair cells responsible for converting sound vibration into electrical signals. Question number 16. What part of the ear help protect the delicate structure of the inner ear? Option A is pinna, B is cochlea, C is Eustachian tube, and D is tympanic membrane. Here correct answer is option A, pinna. Explanation: the pinna help protect the delicate structures of the inner ear by directing sound wave into the ear canal. Question number 17. Which part of the ear is responsible for detecting changes in head position? Option number A is cochlea, B is semicircular canal, C is oval window, and D is tympanic membrane. Here right option is option B, semicircular canal. Explanation: the semicircular canal detects changes in head position and rotational movement, aiding in balance and spatial orientation. Question number 18. What is the role of the vestibule in inner ear? Option number A is sound transmission, B is balance and equilibrium, C is equalization of pressure, and D is protection of delicate structure. Here, right option is option B, balance and equilibrium. Explanation: the vestibule contains sensory organs that detect changes in head position and contribute to balance and equilibrium. Question number 19. Which part of the ear is primarily involved in transmitting sound vibration? Option A is cochlea, B is oval window, C is round window, and D is eustachian tube. Here, correct answer is option B, oval window. Explanation: the oval window transmits sound vibration from the middle ear to the fluid-filled cochlea in the inner ear. Question number 20. What structure connects the three ossicles in the middle ear? Option A is round window, option B is oval window, option C is tympanic membrane, and option D is incus. Here, correct answer is option D, incus. Explanation: the incus is the one of the three ossicles in the middle ear and connects the malleus मतलब hammer to the stapes मतलब stirrup. Question number 21. Which part of the ear is responsible for detecting high frequency sound? Option number A is cochlea, B is basilar membrane, C is semicircular canal, and D is vestibule. Here, correct answer is option B, basilar membrane. Explanation: the basilar membrane is the cochlea is responsible for detecting high frequency sound due to its varying stiffness along its length. Question number 22. Which part of the ear is involved in the transmission of sound vibration from the outer to inner ear? Option number A is pinna, B is eardrum, C is cochlea, and D is oval window. Here, right option is option D, oval window. Explanation: the oval window serves as the point of transmission for sound vibration from the middle ear to the inner ear. Question number 23. What is the primary function of the outer ear? Option A is amplify sound vibration, option B is convert sound wave into electrical sign, option C is protect delicate structure, and option D is equalize pressure. Here, right option is option C, protect delicate structure. Explanation: the outer ear including the pinna and ear canal help protect the delicate structure of the middle and inner ear. Question number 24. Which structure separates the middle ear from the outer ear? Option number A is tympanic membrane, B is cochlea, C is oval window, and D is incus. Here, correct answer is option A, tympanic membrane. Explanation: the tympanic membrane, also known as the eardrum, separates the middle ear from the outer ear and vibrates in response to sound waves. Question number 25. What causes the sensation of balance and spatial orientation? Option A is movement of fluid in the cochlea. Option B is activation of hair cells in the semicircular canals. Option C is stimulation of auditory nerve fibers. Option D is activation of taste receptor in the tongue. Here, correct answer is option B, activation of hair cells in the semicircular canal. Explanation: the semicircular canal contains hair cells that detect movement of fluid, providing information about balance and spatial orientation. Question number 26. Which part of the ear is responsible for converting sound vibration into mechanical movement? Option A is cochlea, B is semicircular canal. Option D is tympanic membrane. Option D is pinna. Here, correct answer is option A, cochlea. Explanation: the cochlea contains hair cells that convert sound vibration into mechanical movement, which are transmitted to the brain as auditory signals. Question number 27. What is the function of stapes? Option A is amplify sound vibration. Option B is equalize pressure. Option C is protect the inner ear. Option D is transmit sound vibration to the cochlea. Here, correct answer is option D, transmit sound vibration to the cochlea. Explanation: the step is also known as the stirrup. Transmit sound vibration from the middle ear to the cochlea in the inner ear. Question number 28. Which structure is responsible for protecting the delicate sensory cell in the cochlea? Option number A is tympanic membrane, B is oval window, C is round window, and D is basilar membrane. Here, correct answer is option C, round window. Explanation: the round window is membrane convert opening in the cochlea that allow for the movement of fluid protecting the delicate sensory cell within. Question number 29. What part of the ear is involved in the transmission of sound vibration from the eardrum to the inner ear? Option A is cochlea. Option B is oval window. Option C is semicircular canal. Option D is tympanic membrane. Here, correct answer is oval window. Explanation: the oval window serves as the interface between the middle ear and the inner ear, transmitting sound vibration from the eardrum to the cochlea. Question number 30. What structure helps in amplifying sound waves as they enter the ear? Option A is pinna, B is tympanic membrane, C is eustachian tube, and D is oval window. Here, correct answer is option A, pinna. Explanation: the pinna or outer ear help in amplifying sound waves by directing them into the ear canal.